Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, being a member of parliament or even a minister of government in Jamaica does not prevent the police from being reckless about sharing information that one gives to them on criminal suspects. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck says he has found out. The minister, who is also a member of parliament for the Northeastern St. Andrew, on Tuesday told parliamentary committee that information he shared with the police was relayed to a suspect within minutes of him talking with the police. Chuck said after speaking with investigators within 5 minutes he received a call from the suspect asking him why he had taken his name to the police. While addressing the Joint Selected Committee of Parliament examine the Criminal Justice Suppression of Criminal Organization Act, more popularly called the anti-gang law, Chuck gave his testimonial. I have had that happening to me. I told the police who was responsible, only for the man to call me back in 5 minutes to ask me why I'm calling his name. So I know for a fact that it happens, Chuck said. The police have reported being often hobbled in their investigation by persons with information being reluctant to share what they know with them, out of fear that the police will pass on what they say to the criminals. In fact, there have been cases of informants being actually murdered after sharing information with the police. Jamaicans are also mindful of the inform of a dead culture locally, especially in inner city communities where crime is generally rampant. But the police have also contributed to the problem. And years ago, a senior superintendent of police attached to the Corporate Area Police Division implored Jamaicans to be careful about which police personnel they're sharing information with. The SSP urged Jamaicans to visit the Office of Commissioner of Police if they had doubts about who in the police force to pass information to. Based on its own reported experience, Chuck is proposing an amendment to the anti-gun law to prevent serious penalties for the law enforcement personnel who divulge confidential information about informants. This is something that is preventing so-called informers from providing information, Chuck stated. And if they can pass on a politician name to a criminal, what do you think they would do to a regular citizens? They are bound to get slapped with, or them family members get slapped with, if they are an informant for the JCF. Okay, and they wonder why Jamaican people do not give them information. These are the exact reason why. Honestly, you have to be very, very careful when dealing with the JCF nowadays, because you don't know who is who and you don't know what information they will relay on. Look at that couple that told them information and got killed. Even the 4 people that died in Westmoreland recently, it was because they were supposed to testify in a court case, and that's what got killed basically. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me if you have been into a situation where you gave the JCF information and they told back the person, or you know of persons that have done that and they end up being dead or being threatened. Comment all your thoughts in the comment section and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.
Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and